special effect which every listener must have noticed of this Qaseedah, which was presented in the voice of Aiman from Kabir, is because of perfect harmony between the heart of Masih Maud when he said it, and the heart of the singer who produced what she read exactly from the bottom of her heart. So this harmony between the two has elated the effect. That is what this must have noticed. Because she first felt.
He's an he, Hazrat.
Huh?
He's an he, Aiman.
Oh, I'm sorry, awfully sorry. I thought Aiman is also the name for a girl, no?
Not in
Aiman in Arabic is is a man's name, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so it is he who must have first fully delved deep into the heart of Masih Maud to find the roots of that Qaseedah. And then his voice rose from those depths, creating the true image of that Qaseedah and the atmosphere in which that Qaseedah was said. So this harmony between the two sort of creates laser effect. I'm not going to explain what laser effect is, but those of you who know what laser effect is, they'll fully understand what I mean. Now I remember and recollect the face of Aiman, who came here during the Jalsa. And is he related to you?
Far relation, yes. He's from other family.
But when someone has done something excellent, people want to bring the relationship closer instead of far relation.
We're very good friends.
Yes, that's good.
He's too honest.
Yes. Friend is good. Yes?
Yeah, very good.
He's
Yes.
as good a friend as a brother.
Yes.
So then he's close. Okay. Please.